I'm so sorry, I'm drunk. Everything I was saying, just remember I said I am. In case I tell you anything you don't like, I am.
And anything you do under alcohol is...
But I can drive myself home though. But I am. Oh wow, how you guys been doing, man? Somebody say alcohol. Yeah, nice one, nice. I see the way you appreciate that guy. Nice one. You know, I know that pain. You and person, you're not going to the same school. You got the FM now.
That's how we are doing.
Listen, my class, listen to me. Don't look down on anybody. Alright? Don't look down on anybody. Alright? Do you know my class prefect? His name is Obrite. When we're in school, that guy they write my name for a list of friends maker. People that don't come to school, he go write my name. You understand? He write my name. Make I not go school on Tuesday. If I go school on Wednesday, they will flog me for noise on Tuesday. But that time, he don't know how they prepare my destiny. Now, do you know as I'm talking to you now, that class prefect, my hype man now, the same person when I write my name for noise maker, 90 shout, somebody make some noise! Alright, thank you. So, that's just an introductory joke. I would like to introduce myself. If you are meeting me for the first time, full names are Ogene Kukuya, Ogene Brunei, Onai Bitesman. The comedy catalyst, Dr. One of Nigerian comedy, he know me the one of Participant Kingdom. The other Ben call you say, this me, if it too hard, they will call me. Ego na bomb one. Listen to me. You know me one of them last days. Multiple award-winning comedian back to back in 5 years. Still counting. By birth, I be comedian and I'm funny. Hello, let's start the show now. If you don't get money in life, no, they really make sense to you. You will say enjoyment and waste of money. That time I never get money, I just say 3 songs and waste of money.
Uncle, please tell us a story.
Keep quiet, not the story, and they tell you my reality. You know what you do? You there with 2 guests, you they do one just they touch your head. Hey, go.
Big things, Nimola.
Yeah. Can we start properly? Anyway, as you are drinking, I want to beg you. Drink responsibly, right? Yeah. My show in Buka Hall, one man don't drink, and shall go meet his wife for house. He said, my wife, meet Ashawo. Ashawo, let's live in peace and...
But I cannot give myself outside this so for you. And I don't need your ginger, brother me. I do for you and you do for me. Nothing today, you dey cover me. Even though we don't see the regular, I dey with you, my bro.
All right, in case you don't know, I got my sexy DJ in the building, DJ Kesley. Fastest finger DJ. This is when I got clap for him. We have been friends for over 14 years.
Give me a chance. How much you going to do so? You could you put more on I my time to back you go.
Anyway, which media you work with? Because you know they are now. Before I go reach us now, let's see full video. Destalker new jokes live in Lekki Comedy Club. People casino when get the show, not go upload it. And all these people. Alright, listen to me. I want to say this. I've been hearing my comedians. Abari, thank you for your MC Passion, wonderful comedian. Monica, wonderful. You see, we are here to change the game. That's why we are the comedy category.
I swear.
Thank you. Listen, I'm prepared to do this job till I die. You know why I like my job? As I dey old, my fans they follow me old.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while.
You know what? One of our guys, Shakira, when they dance, I tell her that time, oh, add something to this dance. Because in the old, you know, Ben West, he said, na lie. Not the last week we go do show. Shakira is serious, I'm 42. Aye. Oh, shit. That's a big combo. You know what? On another thing, I want Shakira to do like this. As a young man, cool. Old age. Get the retirement plan. If you are shower here, get the retirement plan. Yes. One day when you are shower, go just do and just see your husband. They can't go to Dubai after wedding. They go to Dubai, go to honeymoon. He don't forget say he don't marry. The next morning they wake your husband say, "Want to make them give my money?" Afosi, Alpha, also, correct. And waiting about this country, anything you do now also. You know, I don't see where two pastors they discuss prophecy.
Where them day?
Be me. No joke, oh, hey. Where my PA? Beckis, I'm not giving this. Two prophets, one, the two the verse, one said, in the verse for prophet Israel. Did you say no video? Now was say, what did he do? He said the prophet go use the material. I go say, how they put the bush of again. It's like, you go sign up for hookup. Now, the man don't carry you now, they touch your breast. You say, no, they let me, they touch your breast. Listen to me. He say, don't touch my breast. You will tell me, oh, you know what? I won't collect money. Not be joke, not be one girl I carry. Then the video this fine. Not be one. Waka pass now. Not be one girl I carry. How much you get? Shall Port Harcourt to 150 for Port Harcourt? And the girl tell me, say, you know, say my big like this. I know. So as we dey press, I go say, how much be this big? I don't say I'm drunk. So I don't believe I'm drunk now. Good. Now let me crack Christian joke. But you think I'm now, as soon as they take alcohol now, I call they tell me about rapture.
Dependable.
No, but I don't go feel now. But I go feel bad now. Imagine the way. Imagine married man now when he call with side chick. I call they talk about cheating.
Oh, Father.
But I don't go feel bad.
What in the
casino? Where casino now? Casino job. You don't carry me, go put me for useless hotel. Which kind of hotel be that? You put me for hotel, then they fall for room 8 and they here for room 12.
I tell you, Baba,
don't feel for the weekend. Waiting shock me. Not be this year, not be the sound pay me. I bet here, no. Hey, I bet now you boy everybody. Who there room 9? I be room 8. That place is oh, Jesus. I said, first of all, there, I don't know where the man go poop. I said, no, but that one pay me. I don't dress. I won't come out now. So they come here now. The section is getting mine. They ask me, say, please, I'm sorry. Which of your friends brought dog? Hello?
She's just a girl and she's on fire.
I'm sorry. Let's start properly. Let me say shout out to you. Over 14 years now. Yeah, you've been my friend and you have been supporting my show back to back. You have been showing love. If they see you, they'll say you know get. Now big boy. That's the CEO of gameplay.
Done so much.
Sing it!
cannot tell.
You say what thing? Listen to me.
If I had 10,000 times,
It will not be enough. You say what thing? Don't mind here, I get it, don't worry.
that mama really.
Nothing they give me. Nothing they give me. Nothing they give me. Did you wait? Nothing kids that they give me. If you don't broke, send me a camera, I help you. Thing that they give me, correct, don't mind here. What did you do? Did you wait? Since I come, now they see this Makalan from far. I've been a prank. They don't open up. They don't use and do Instagram video, Snapchat video, TikTok video. They don't open up. If I behave like this place not go progress. So. No, you think this guy don't video tire. We are shutting down Summit Road. Everybody, not to be afraid. Life too sweet, oh. Now when you get to, if you don't get money, you dey see this life like black and white. Poor people, you hear forget that you vanish up around. Idiot. Come and get her first. So no more when you talk, I get her.
Make the money, chop the money, yeah. Enjoyment is not there for everyone.
My guy, Asaba, are they okay? Who wanna say this guy be? President of Nigeria in France. 9 be this. And I dey plan go France. 9 president. Wait first. President from France. France na Europe na. Na Schengen abi. Nine dead. Okay.
You are looking at
Keep quiet. Did I look down on him? Hello sir, this my DJ now put me for problem. Oh wow. That guy no, you dey fuck up. This guy na the governor. So when they hide the money, you know go be $1. I for prevent $9. Alright. And so one guy give me money, no country. Mumumi I got a dash $9. Waiting they like for the money na just 500,000. No say this on my daughter, $1 good. Now they give me money, no country. I just say 500,000. Now carry the money, go change. But at least in case you use the same travel.
Let the poor breathe.
You say wait. You say what? So okay who? Yes, and the money I talk about today. Banco Central do Brazil. This money, 200 million, I be 15 for that.
Feels like the under trouble now. One man dream is another trouble.
The worst thing when you carry money, go give a bookie. If a bookie just start like this, as you give a bookie, you don't do it like this. He look you. Do it again. He look you. As they do at the daughter, run, leave their bookie and the money.
You can only run.
They give me 500. I like the way they smile. Who no go to say you get to. From this side, you see nothing like Popojo. You see, say this guy native now, he carry get when I want carry. Don't say this guy hope. No, say you hope. What that better money they make it wet. What they do you? Say Anna, so they wet. I was what? I'm sorry. Which joke you want here?
I don't care.
You necklace, I tell you what, I'm not my joke. Which kind of joke? Gospel, politics, or tutu?
Home service.
Eh? Okay, now, see, you get 2 jokes. Hey, give them now. How you dey knock my head back? Walking my head back. Big up for you, thanks, man. Wow. I get budget for this show. How much you don't make now? Bible say gift of a man make it away. How much? 2 good. I like it. Hey. I like the way that they spray money and they don't they scatter now. Not the Asaba go perform and they spray me. When I hear one guy can control me. Okay, now I don't know why EFCC started the arrest for they spray. Now for club vanity apple. Oh! There's one thing about poverty. No matter how much you can't hide it. Now people come here, they drop money. See this one don't come now with 19.2. And he hides. He never spend the money well. He just spend money with the back.
You put a job.
As you draw like this, only 4,000 and they come. 19. Anyway, that is Casino Elder Brother. Alright? Now let me tell you a story that will shock you. When I came to Lagos, I was his PA. Yes, I was PA. We quarreled because the day when he noticed he senior me with 9 years. I said, now you talk to me like this. He don't say the age of Methuselah have nothing to do with the wisdom of Solomon.
I'm a dream of my house and I felt Jesus. I thought you were inspire you, but you know me say, say you know the house, I just feel like a shot. Mama tell me say, you want you, one day you go grow.
Did you hear it? Man, tell me why I avoid the guy. Listen to why I avoid your brother, your elder brother. I dey fear am. You want me to turn to basket? Who is your fucking brother? You say wait, who be Curtis? Who be Curtis? Curtis when they stay with your wife. Leave am where they sleep. Can you listen to me, children of God? Good. You know, say na so Nigeria people know they complete one. Oh. Hello, hey, hello. Afosi. Because of the 100,000, that's why you're stopping me. Come on, take your money. What's wrong with you? You know me now.
Are you serious?
I'm joking. Now, so when I hear this, so one of my guys called my house. I carry one girl. Now my guy call. Now my guy call to say, you like this girl? Oh, true that. I'm not going to believe this thing when I want to. True that, so you. Now my guy say, like the girl. Now say, I mean, the girl charge 150. So I can't leave room, give the guy. The guy come from London. Now he got there with the girl. So the girl got to him and say, he go collect 150 for who had already carried the break. Now my guy called you. What if you pay me? You never waste time. I don't go sit the room, come up. The guy don't release. In the morning, I transfer my own. Now the guy say, no one complete, say my guy do. Now I tell my guy, say, how far? Owner discuss. He say yes, he say the girl just say 150. I say, they are going to pay now. I say, she mean now. I said, she don't mean now you release. You don't mean you release. I'm sorry. Let me do good jokes. They give me 500,000 Indonesian rupee. One man is screaming. I say na better money. When I go change the money, I book tell me say the money na 1,004. Is it 490 or 470? Now the book go tell me say they go high. Is this so? It be like joke, I mean, true life story. You know say one sir 500,000 Indonesian rupee. Now I know say if I spend the money, now me go lose. Now go Allen or baby. Wait be that place now. Sorry, not you, no, na your elder brother. Packers! Now go Packers. You when they talk say get no wet. Listen though, now the money when you pay get, you take away. I said something on my last podcast. It they come on Friday. I never hear anything. Podcast they Chris. Sir, you see loyalty. Even the loyalty one that they look for, they fund out.
Yes, expensive.
The day you stop funding it, Baba, you know say the person who is loyal to you know your real name. Then they fund loyalty. You fund it. That is say when they hate for Lagos, and I know hating. Not be worry I go. All of us now for worry again. As I want to enter my motor, now one guy hate me. When I park, nobody did you. I walk come on, I see 4 guys. All of them just do hand like this, they don't talk. I can say when they attack the mafia, attack them. Now I say, hello. Now one look me, say, Shama. Now I reply, I say, Councilor. Now the guy reply me, Governor. Now I call the guy, President. Now the guy say, God.
We are the chosen generation. Called for to show His excellence.
I think say that day end. As the guy say, God. I don't say don't end. Go to pass God. So I can't say, oh yeah, Mona come. I don't catch it. As I open my cars, I won't give them money. 90 guys say, 90 guys let me say, ba. Now because but you know all about this street. 90 guys say, Baba, I know, but your street, your street light. God do one before you see they do one again. Listen to me. You are trying to satisfy woman. You go, hey, sorry man. Sorry. Go spend some. Don't touch her. Sorry. Before you go manifest. Stop that! Somebody they manifest for me. Like my child, they play Satan. Apostle, now so when you dey reach, you carry different people for but now say just believe. Yes, now say be. And I say different people, which should be they talk to bachelor now. As I say your 3 cars, I say Afosi 1, Afosi 2, Jesus. For the small comedy club. I'm saying I go tell you a private jet you take off. Baba, you know people. Baba, you know people. From Benin! But you want to know, your plane number na dental. Now so says Bill. Just with the argue now because he did Bible. He said, oh wow. Oh. This girl, the way you drop the money, now you walk out. I got the power. I got the power. I'm about to release my power. Now the way you sing yourself that money. I want all this money. I want to take this photographer, but you need focus to do photographer work. You know, if you for you to know say photographer work no easy. You don't see in-person photographer. In-person. I don't go on wedding now. The photographer na in-person. That's is now 300 pictures only Ian. What he pay me now? They show me. Look at what I try. I said, now ear you snap, now you reply me. So if you see your ear, you know.
I will never see me. This
we are having fun. All the see. They try your Sonic room. In there, where is it? Show me now. Sonic room. Where you now? Where's Sonic room now? Oh wow. Are you there? God shake me. I like happy people. Come here. How are you? Or see hand now. I saw. Shake me best. Shake me again. Now your hand is in the water.
Don't judge me. I won't judge you. Cause it can get ugly before it gets beautiful. Please don't judge me.
Wait. I'm joking you. That's why we have a rubber for Adoro. I'm rubber. As I have another guy say, wow, you will hear from we. Oh, DJ play bound. I don't know who come.
Now you're saying maybe I want to. I love your games, but you are on first.
Alright, come on, sit down.
If not,
wait. Hey, Chairman, 5 minutes, sit down. I'm not be upcoming.
I'm not afraid.
Wait. Because of. Okay, have you walked you when you went and shake and you went and shake on that over?
Toilet, they go toilet.
Now my leader, he might go shake you. You know, say you sabi talk. Abba, how you doing? I like you. You na so they keep you. You know they know who get. Yes, everybody go just wear native. Like who they share money. I'm joking, oh. Sir. Abiwala.
No vex.
No, talk him again.
No vex.
Be proud of who you are.
No vex.
You know.
This guy get problem.
I know. Now trust you, eh? Come collect something. Come stand up. You don't get pride. Come collect. Humility is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. You be humble. Who live an advisor? Stand up, forget the native, but I know how you did for home. Okay, I did it now. Later on, you go send me message, Baba, I don't send you my account.
Worry boy, in the area.
What I did? What another explain? Tell them how we did meet.
book out.
You dey book out. Anybody when come book out on my blog. Alright, I want to say this, please. For are you okay? I'm sorry. You never fuck up as you need it. What? I'm sorry. You know what? When I was growing up, my mom used to tell me that my mom could put me for trouble. But my mom didn't tell me the date.
I'm not where I wanna be, but I think God will.
Wait. That's the multi when I talk about you. Now you spray this one. Now mine saw this one. Oh, man, I will insult you. Okay. Man, no insult you. Might be this one. Stone this my eye, I know the use that.
I know that you got me sad, but you said you
You mean that, Mo? But the son of a joke. So you take this joke serious. Yeah, I know say you don't really get what people. I'm sorry. I can't face this side. I'm sorry.
This guy doing better.
You know how my face and I got this on a day regular. So now one person now. So this one I go talk to regular. How na see am?
Balance.
Sonny, Alpha, I'll go face this side now. Good. Now, this guy table.
I just wanna be where you
Look, I
are.
don't want any side. How two people will just miss two red wine? Poor people can get creative. I don't see where two poor people they miss two small stars. It's as they miss and it on to big start.
If you don't make no evidence, say you try.
No evidence. So listen to me. If you listen, casino sit down one place and where you learn. I've been running comedy club over 16 years. Okay.
I will have a blessing of my happiness.
Hello, in life, he get the way they do. You see this work now, see casino just come from Benin, Jokon. See, first maiden edition on IP like this too. Please a round of applause for casino. Yes. Yes. You know easy. And so it be, you know say Sumota now, if you just do this play for 6 months now, comedian for Lagos go say na you use. Now so it be, if they never accuse say they do juju, you never they succeed.
You finish, they go finish your biscuit, they go finish your sweet.
Shakara do gege.
DJ.
Yeah, Baba, oh God. But there's something about Lagos people, if they love you, they love you.
Money come bang
DJ, wait,
bang.
not by anybody. Listen. This case I beg, in case anybody plan beat me. If you don't fish your case,
What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor?
oh, never we go. Oh, never we go, boy. No one at their off on our light. This only two get sense. As he say, that table get the way there, now you off their light. Baba, you get mine. Now, man, then your Kingston, then your CEO gameplay. You can just this. I know they talk about people. You can download it on your Play Store, App Store, gameplay. Now they play Candy Crush, not they pay now. Somebody now don't introduce a gameplay. As you they play and they pay you weekly, and they pay you monthly. Yes, and Nigeria boy run a data boy. Please a round of applause for him.
There is something that makes me come into your presence. There is something.
All right, let's start properly. That's how I launched for Owerri. Called Hotel. And they give one guy, you know, say that place, New Owerri, that place, they are shouting, they use a menu. In the order now. Yes, so menu. They'll give you the girl. They'll give you the menu. You'll go check the menu. You'll see the girl picture profile. It's called profiling. Okay, write and down profiling.
This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself.
You think that?
This place
You get.
I go stand up.
I'm sorry.
No, they go anywhere. No matter.
This is what you do. So next time when you come, do that side. This is when you say this table is all a point of contact.
I ain't trying to die. I'm staying so down there. You ran out on the nigga. That's a job. That job top.
Well, I don't know. So you say I'm going to happy. Me so go happy too. Listen. Now, hello, hey, where you? Rasta. Oh, now cameraman too. But cameraman, you know the cameraman one they respect pass. Those are when they shoot blue film. You don't think, no, but they don't think, you just they shoot people when they enjoy. Jesus. Then they try, oh God, the way they laugh. I also you know they act. Like too sweet, oh. Not go kill yourself, oh. I beg you. I don't attempt suicide 3 times, so like 17 years ago. What oh? Let me say, I'm gonna miss this life now when they enjoy so. Now who give up? Fuck up. You understand? The white things are hard for you now because you are about to break through. Now you're so comedian they talk about. Listen to you. They talk about shall we get grace? That's how they talk to like that. People went their Bible. I shall want the Bible. In the Bible now. Listen, those state governor, the ban shall you can't ban those people. What if God recognize? Which woman go meet Jesus? Use tears, clean Jesus' leg. Use in hair, clean. Go use perfume for Jesus. Not that shall. Harlot. You see that this argument make your papa no make and you don't continue with your papa. Listen, I'm joking. Now so like you, now so I go joke with one man. As the man, as you did, listen, Apostle, you know say as this your guy they talk so now, so I go follow one guy talk. I don't know say Mona yell. Apart from this comedy, God they use me. I know. Not shy. I know. One man they follow me. They sir, you see the way you see that. Now when I do good example now, I don't invest. Who? Now no use your guy. You know I like you. You be like NYC student.
But he's not hot me. Where is my thumb to hurt you?
You will not go out to class. You come. Who invites you? Hey God. Look. No. Baba. I go here, poor man, no true life story. As the show they go, the man they talk. I saw keep quiet. I'm 42. You see the same with your younger brother. They call her. I thought I was joking. Show don't finish. I come outside. I see the man stand near my tire and cry. I don't hear. Who told you? Asaba told me what? Who told you I'm 42? I said, now God just put up over here. So how did you not stay with my brother? I said, now God tell me, he said, now ask God what I could do. So please, hold. In case I tell you what you they pass, no vessel. Now so God, you know say any dead prophecy when God bring, that will save you. Now so my joke be build. My guy, listen. I like this guy. No, anybody want to touch like this, you know people poor. I know they didn't connected to who go poor. No one can go. You know the shout what this guy do me. I don't see you before they touch him.
Get cow.
Eh?
Get cow plenty.
You get car.
Cow plenty.
Cow.
Get cow farm.
Only get cow farm.
For Kanu.
I go respect you. Not the cow, better cow from 1.5. I say the one went nowhere. 2 million. Lagos men, I want to say this. I beg. The way you guys are treating our Lagos Lekki girls, I don't like it. Yeah, the way you guys spend lavishly on them is not good.
I beg you.
Yes, you are making them. Hello, am I communicating? Yes, you are making these girls not to understand what it takes to labor. The dignity in labor. Now,